What up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This video has been different. My dog got ran over by a semi a couple months ago, and I've been wanting to make a video about it, just ain't had time. But on this Sunday morning, on this Sunday evening at 12:24, we're gonna talk about it. So let's go. When my dog first died, I thought, well, I ain't gonna make this video, because if I did make the video, it was gonna be harder on me. But I found out my dog did die. This is the best sausage right here, guys. Best sausage ever made. But anyways, back to what I was doing. My dog got ran over by a semi about 2 months ago. And I want to tell y'all a story about the night before. The night before he got ran over, I was coming home from my grandma's house. Actually, I was coming home from here. And we caught him going up the road. Me and my cousin, we saw him. So we walked him about a mile. We walked him home. He was about a mile up the road. We walked him home. Yeah. And then that night, he must have wandered off. And he got hit by a semi. I don't know how long ago it was. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Today we've been gaming. So yeah, peace, love y'all.